So I want to unbox with you a lovely short style, so ideal for summer, from Hairworld. So got the box. Ooh, and it comes with a catalogue. I love a good catalogue. If you haven't heard of Hairworld, it's a family-run business here in the UK, and they do amazing styles, amazing quality, great hairlines, up-to-date styles. Look at these, they're just adorable. So cute. I just love a good catalogue. Really cute. Anything they do, short, long, etc. Mainly low density styles. So have a look at Hairworld if you are into low density wigs. I got this from Wigs for You, and Wigs for You sends you a little care and returns policy leaflet as well. And they also sent me a headwear catalogue. Look how pretty this is. Also from Hairworld. Just gorgeous, gorgeous styles. So let's talk about India by Hairworld in Polarblonde Rooted. Comes in this lovely box. Securely packaged. Open this up. So you can see it is a shorter style. And this color, Polarblonde Rooted, is great for everyone who likes like a platinum kind of blonde that's rooted. Let's look at the cap construction. So India has got a fringe, but it also has an extended lace front, which I just love. I love that you have that extended lace front so you can style that fringe away from the face if you wanted to. You have a mono top as well. And you have open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs. Quite a bit of stretch in this cap. Can't feel any permatease. So let me just shake this and then put it on. Oh, cute. Oh, this is adorable. So I don't want to play with it too much. So you get an idea of what it looks like straight out of the box. So let me do that first. See what it looks like with a fringe. And I probably would wear it to the side like this and probably tuck one side. Look how cute that is. This is a fabulous style for summer. Short, off your neck. Can tuck it one side or both sides. Can have the fringe across and tucked. Look at that lace front. Look what that looks like. Wow, that is amazing. Look at it. And then let's look at the mono top. Hairworld pieces lace fronts have always been amazing. They're always, blew me away how amazing and realistic they look. Let's look at a few styling options. I already showed you what you can do with a fringe and how it looks like tucked. But with short ones like this, I just love it with a hairband. This look. So cute. Just move this fringe up like so. And I use a little clip like this, or you can just use a little pin or whatever. Can tuck it. So permatease wise, can't feel any. So this is a lovely light low density piece. Tell me what you think of India by Hairworld in this gorgeous color Polarblonde Rooted.